This video is brought to you by Skillshare. Hey, I'm Alex. Welcome to my channel. This is my top 5 things to do on the van life lockdown. Ah, van life. The open road, freedom, adventure. Home is where I park it.
Local police talking. We require the citizens who without a justified cause are in the streets and public spaces to immediately go to their homes and stay there. We are facing a serious health emergency.
Stay at home as much as possible. You can only leave your home for very specific reasons.
You must stay at home. Stay at home. Stay at home.
It's supposed to be at home.
We haven't got any home.
This is our home. Yeah. So it looks to me like you're sitting around having some drinks.
Yeah, in her garden.
Now, depending on your location, you're going to be in a slightly different situation, slightly different restrictions. But one thing's for sure is van life as we know it is on pause. And this, of course, means we've got a lot of spare time on our hands, which, well, you're free to do what you want with it, really, as long as it doesn't involve other people and going outside. Anyway, let's jump in at number 5, exercise. Yeah, we all know it's good for us, but most of us don't get enough of it. And what's the number one excuse? Time. Not having enough time. Well, now we've got time, so get out there, burn those calories, burn off that isolation frustration. And yeah, okay, I know some places you're not allowed out, like we're actually allowed out still here, so your exercise might look a little more like this. Might be worth mentioning also that 𝐿 and Bec have started a new channel, 𝐿 and Bec PLUS, and I think it's all to do with exercise, so that could be something for you to check out in these different times. Number 4, make money. Yeah, we all need it, and most recently it has been made more difficult for a lot of people to get hold of. So I'm going to just outline 2 surefire ways that anybody can make money without having to leave the home, house, van. All you need is all you need is the internet and a laptop. So the first one I have mentioned before is match betting, and we'll just jump quickly onto my laptop to show you a match betting site. So this is the match betting website that I use, profitaccumulator.co.uk. Of course, I'll leave a link to this in the description. I've been using these guys for years, even before I moved into a van actually. So they've been around a long time, they know what they're talking about, and the ease of use is what makes them so good. As you can see here, there's 6 tutorials, and you actually start earning money after your 3rd tutorial, and it's nice, it shows you exactly what you're going to earn on each one. Secondly is Amazon careers. Again, we're just going to jump onto my laptop so I'll show you this. If you head over to Amazon and scroll down to the bottom, and you will see careers. Have a little click of that. And remote career opportunities, and here is a list obviously of remote career opportunities. Now some of them actually, strangely enough, are location specific, so put United Kingdom up in the top here, or wherever it is you live, and just you can actually go down here as well and check that it's on work from home, and there's a list of jobs. Some of them do require some experience or qualifications, but I know I've found some that anybody can literally get on and do straight away. Now I know I've only touched on these lightly, but if you want to know more about them or other ways of making money online, then hit me up in the comments and I'll make a video on it. Number 3, learn something. Now I don't know about you guys, but back in school I didn't really want to learn anything, at least nothing that the curriculum could offer me. But then since leaving school, I've just wanted to learn as much as I can. Which brings me on nicely to today's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform for creative and curious people. They offer inspiring classes on topics such as photography and film, graphic design, marketing and entrepreneurship. The classes are designed for real life and all the circumstances that come with it. With the challenges that we as the people of the world are currently facing, spontaneous acts of creativity may help break up a routine of a long day spent indoors. I've recently been indulging in Art of the Start, Turning Ideas into High Growth Businesses by 𝐏𝐫𝐞𝐯𝐤.
Therefore, what if? I think it's a very powerful scenario. So let's say you're sitting down and you say, you know, cell phones are getting smarter and cheaper. Therefore, what?
Skillshare is focused specifically on learning, so there are no ads and they're always launching new premium classes. And it's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. The first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will receive a 2-month free trial of premium membership, so you can go and explore your creativity. Okay, number 2, meditate. It's all well and good being productive, and I'm an advocate for being productive, but we need to take some time for ourselves, and this is a perfect time to take some time for ourselves. Find yourself a nice spot somewhere. No, maybe not there. A nice spot somewhere, and set your alarm for 10-20 minutes on your phone. Chill out. Listen to maybe a guided meditation, or maybe just listen to your inner thoughts, or maybe don't listen to any of your inner thoughts, ignore them. Just take the time, is what I'm saying. And I think that how everything is at the moment, you can take the time without feeling guilty about it. I don't know if anyone else feels that, but I used to at least feel guilty for taking spare time to sit and relax and just meditate. I'd feel like, you know, I should be working on something. I'm wasting time, which is probably what my dad would have said to me. But you'll probably most likely, definitely, surely find is that your productivity will increase after meditation anyway. Number 1, eat junk food and watch films. Haha, it's a joke. Real number 1, start a side business. Now I know I've already spoke a little about making money, but what if you wanted to do more than that? What if there's something you want to start, like maybe a blog, a Shopify, become an online yoga teacher?
Right fingertips reach up, big breath in, big breath out, brings you all the way back down, beautiful.
Which, by the way, let me just show you something. Lockdown was what, around the 15th of March? There's definitely a market for it right now. Now, a minute ago I was talking about Skillshare and talking about the class that I've just been doing. I'm doing that to help expand my knowledge on starting another business, but there's also classes on Skillshare where they could be the basis of your business. The resources are there, the time is here, get out there. Which of these top 5 takes your fancy? Any you'd add? Any you'd remove? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Look after yourselves and look after your families. See you on the next one. Suki, you stay there. Number 1. Number 1. No, you. Become an online yoga teacher. Online yoga teacher. 10. Another one. 10. Yeah. Good. Sure. Oh shit. After you've done the second one, you start. Sorry, after the third one, you start. Zen, stop it. Zen, stop it. No. Just making a YouTube video. Press the red button.